Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Nvidia drivers for Windows 11, so let's get started. First, you have to open up your browser and just type in Nvidia. Go to this first one, which is from the nvidia.com, and from here you have to click on products at the top. Click GeForce graphics card, and from here you need to click on support at the top. Now you will have to see this one and just hit on drivers. You will either have to download it from the automatic driver updates or the manual driver search. So you can hit the download now from automatic driver, but you can just do the manual driver search. But before you do that, you will need first to go to the Windows Start button and just type in the system information. Oops. Yeah, so we have to open this one and go to components. Under that, you will need to select the display option and you will have to see the name of the driver and other information. So if that's GeForce Experience Titan and so on and so forth, you will have to copy that one and select that one and go again from the Nvidia graphics card here. You'll have to select the one that best match on the system information. So let's say it's GeForce, and you can start importing the information here. Once you have done that, from the search button you will get this result. So you have to click on the get download option and it will start the installation process. So it will start like this one and you have to open that, hit yes. It's loading now, but after that's done you can start filling out the options from there that is best match on the system information that you have. That's all, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.